Could a simple dog whistle frequency or something like that actually beckon UAPs? Well, tonight we're going to dive into the strange world of the UAP dog whistle. Welcome back to Echoes Above. I'm Jonathan. From glowing orbs to structured craft, UAPs, or specifically UFOs, have fascinated humanity for decades. However, a recent experiment claims that by broadcasting a specific audio signal, dubbed the dog whistle, we might actually summon these UFOs or mysterious visitors. So let's unpack what's going on. In early April 2025, enthusiast Jason Wild unveiled what he calls the UAP Dog Whistle, a 17 kilohertz audio carrier modulated at 1.6 gigahertz, claiming it acts as a beacon for interdimensional or extraterrestrial craft. He pitched it as an open source experiment. Anyone with a capable speaker or RF transmitter could try it in clear skies. Discussion erupted across forums like Reddit's r or UFOs within days. Concept builds on anecdotal reports since the 70s that certain radar frequencies and signals provoke UAP responses. Skywatcher Jake Barber refined these, however. These electromechanical triggers over 5 years, combining ultrasonic audio with RF pulses, and claim near 100% repeatable sightings during field tests. The protocol was simple: broadcast the combined signal outdoors in clear skies, then monitor with electro-optical and infrared cameras plus radio detectors. Here's the basic recipe, courtesy of posts on X, or formerly known as Twitter. 1. Audio, 17 kilohertz continuous tone. 2. Modulation, 1.6 gigahertz RF carrier. 3. The environment, outdoors, minimal wind, clear line of sight. 4. The intent has to be focused, an invitation mindset, which of course would be a nod to CE5 protocols. Multiple field teams report objects materializing overhead. Some even claim to have chased them with drones, while control tests using random signals yielding nothing. One Instagram reel shows a daytime disc-shaped object hovering directly over the dog whistle station, captured by 3 synchronized infrared cameras.
Data for more than 5 years with electromechanical signaling, which we call our dog whistle. Generally speaking, we see 3 to 5 different classes of UAP per day during operations. After we turn on the dog whistle, UAPs literally come to us day after day. To make sense of our data, we had to define a lexicon, and we based it on flight characteristics. We've broken the UAPs down into 9 classes or types. Some of these classes may be the same UAP under different flight configurations, but at this point, given their behavior, we're confident they don't align with conventional or terrestrial explanations. Each UAP class has different characteristics. Some shimmer, some tumble, some spin. Some look like they're alive and they just fly like a living object in the sky. UAPs are extremely hard to image. What is seen with the naked eye is generally not what is seen under a camera. The class 1 often spins, tumbles through the sky. Craft looks like a black body. It appears to flash, pulse multiple times per second. There appears to be some kind of cloud or vapor around it. We've seen class 1s in formations up to 22, 23, flying in different flight formations, different flock formations. The class 2 is the class of tic-tac. We've seen it in groups of 2 to 3, often flying very erratically. We've seen these a couple years in a row, and usually we see them in groups. The class 3, the blob, a pulsing, vibrating cloud. There's something, maybe perhaps a cylinder kind of in the middle that has a different light like a flame, and then it vibrates and pulses as it moves through space. The class 4 is your orb. We've only seen it in infrared. The class 4 seems to only come during certain activities in conjunction with perhaps the class 1. We don't have enough data yet to confirm. The class 5 we call the manta ray. It seems to tumble and rotate as it moves through the sky. Class 6 is bright star. That one vibrates very, very fast. It literally looks like a crystal in the sky. The class 7 is a jellyfish. It's probably about 2 meters across. The head is purple and black in color, and then it has tentacles. The class 8 we call the hornet. It looks very similar to the class 7, the jellyfish, except for it's bigger, and it's almost like a jellyfish carrying something. And then the class 9 is the egg. The class 9 isn't something we have a lot of data on. It's very limited. We have it as skywatcher during our California event. It's an emerging class, and we have strong evidence that it probably exists, but we don't have data to.
Critics are going to, of course, argue confirmation bias and misidentification, because ultrasonic or 17 kilohertz is at the edge of human hearing. Some pets might hear it, but UAP origin? I mean, I don't know. There are no peer-reviewed papers yet. Most evidence is video snippets and anecdotal posts. An alternative to some of these sightings, at least, I think that is that lens artifacts, drones, or even experimental balloons could explain them. Whether hoax or breakthrough, the UAP dog whistle experiment shines a spotlight on our desire to contact the unknown. Have you tried the signal? Have you got sightings? Drop your stories in the comments. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more content about unexplained phenomena.